this whole side.
Like from that
wall, yeah, all the way.
Yep.
Exactly.
We should do that.
Yeah.
You like that one, right?
I like this one. You like that one now?
I do. I love the texture. Yeah.
And these are for the.
And I feel like I like that it has the gold.
For the bathrooms.
Yeah.
So these are what we're gonna do for the new bathrooms for the new house.
Okay.
Definitely that.
Dope.
Those two. And they match your tile too.
Yeah, that one. Great tile.
Meaning we doing our tile at the next house. Thank you. I appreciate that. Huh? Oh, for the, I got you.
Okay, so we'll do that one. Okay, so I'll get this.
I like the countertop idea for the backsplash over the tile.
On the top.
So when the guy's coming today?
Yeah.
So if he's coming today, then we can measure for the backsplash too.
Yeah, because it keeps it clean.
Yeah, it does. It's a nice look. Okay. I like it. It's less scenes. Less scenes. I like that. Okay. Man, here we are. This is our third walkthrough. We're about, I don't know, 2 weeks in, and today we're full-fledged. We got everybody on site today. We have our flooring guys finishing up. We have our landscaping guys here. We have our windows guys changing out the windows. We have our electrician coming, and so just gonna give you a quick walkthrough of what's going on. We've changed out our trees today. So our landscapers pulling out all the trees. We have my guy Paco here that y'all seen before. Here's Paco changing out these windows over here. Oh yeah, we're active today. My man Paco. How y'all doing? So yeah, we got our new windows coming in over here. Oh yeah, new trees. We have all the arekas. We did what? There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 arekas alongside of the pool for privacy here, which is nice. Man, this is big time motion down here at the Lakeland Airbnb. Yeah, so we have arekas on both sides. Should have some palm trees going on the backside. We got quoted yesterday for the pool resurface, and so I need another one because the quote came in extremely high. But here we are with our new windows being installed here. Man, look, we got a lot of motion going on. We're changing out these doors right here to a 3-slided door. It should be a standard size, but we got to remeasure it to make sure everything fits. Just give you an update on what we have on the inside. Here, I have to go and pick up a 3/4 inch like pipe. So we're gonna run the electrical from that island to right here. So we have electrical outlet. The couch that we're putting in this Airbnb has a recliner, so it has to be able to plug up. We're getting this wall built out another 12 inches, so we have more support for our oversized island. Here, our countertop guy will be coming in measuring all the countertops, and we just decided to put the countertops on the backsplash as well. So we have that going on over here in the master bedroom, of course, finishing up our windows. And then we over here, we have my man Paco, and we're going all the way up with our shower tile. Now all the tiles gonna be all the way up from floor to ceiling. Right, from floor to ceiling. And yeah. Big time motion. So yeah, we got furniture coming in. It's supposed to come in this weekend, but we pushed it back, postponed it to try to come in like on Monday or Tuesday. To give us time just to clean up the floors and make sure that we don't have to move any of the furniture, because furniture coming from Restoration Hardware, which is some heavy duty stuff. And we also got to run to Home Depot so we can get these shooters to go on the back side up here for our LED lights, so they can put the tile up to that with our wires. We'll put the tile up to that, and so everything will be clean when it comes to our LED lights. And so when the electrician get here today, we'll just be able to pop it in. So yeah, all the floors are complete at this point, just the bathrooms. And yeah, we got we're moving forward. And in the garage, we have a whole layout for the garage, which we're gonna be going through it, going over those details with the electrician when they get here. But yeah, this garage is gonna be transformed into a game room right now, so storage and a workstation for all the workers. But yeah, that's gonna change really quick. But we're making progress. We're looking to be able to wrap up this job in the next 2 weeks. So yeah, we're making a lot of progress. And here we are with our interior designer.
Yes, sir.
With all our, we have wallpaper, we have panels up against the wall there. Almost every room gonna have wallpaper and panels. So this one is a whole lot different than what the other ones were. But this is more of a standard. What's up? Talking about the trees? He already planted them? Oh.
That looks good though.
It does.
It's like privacy, but I have nothing there. But look at, I want to show you.
Mm-hmm.
The pool was at that it definitely has a leak. Look at it was at that bottom, like the grout line. When I turned it off, it wouldn't go that.
You saying is that the?
When I took a picture when we turned the hose off the other night,
Yeah.
and it was at that grout line, like that's like an inch.
Are you sure?
Positive. I even took a picture. 150% positive. Yeah. Look.
Oh.
Oh boy.
Okay. So let's get Red Rhino. Test it. This way.
How am I gonna? I have to get irrigation here quick because like these are brand new trees.
Yeah, we do. We do need red irrigation.
So this is what I was trying to tell you though. We have that said, but like, why isn't this filled? Like we need more.
I know. Yeah, this side and that side. I mean, I know you don't like the porta-carpus, but I do think the porta-carpus could serve purpose.
No, I don't want that. I want
Okay.
just more Aurigas. Like why would I want that?
I mean, something to change it up.
No.
All right, well,
But like, and then the other palms we have to tell him where I bet you he was gonna put them there. That's where he was gonna put them. I bet you.
yeah, but this one you need more Ricas here for sure.
I know, Charles. The pool definitely has a leak though.
All right. So we had to get Red Guard out here to check the pool leak. Seemed like the water dropped a little bit too far, which I see the chalk line, which she's 100% right. Here we're gonna remove these fences. Oh man, spider web nest. Here we're gonna remove, I got caught in a spider web. We'll remove this fence, probably put a fence right here on the corner and go back so we'll have just this corner side of the house here. Just have this corner side over here fenced in. All right, then it'll come over to this side. So the whole side don't have to be, the whole yard don't have to be fenced in, but we're definitely gonna be pet friendly. But yeah, man, this is like the day 3 of the walkthrough, but it's like 2 weeks in. You see the major progress is going on. I know we have painters that's gonna come in next week. We have furniture being delivered. So it's a lot of progress being made, but this is Airbnb. It's an Airbnb. Like, it's like rush and wait, hurry up and wait. But then you also gotta be ready to get on the run again once stuff starts get going. But this is the process. But yeah, we're looking to be active with this Airbnb over the next maybe 3 weeks. 3 weeks, maybe mid-August. Mid-August, we should be 100% complete and ready to go live before the end of August. But yeah, man. Look, any questions about the process of anything that we're doing, always just leave it in the comments. Hit my inbox. But if you like this content, make sure you hit my inbox. Make sure you like this, subscribe to our channel for more updates. But this is one. We got 2 more coming in a very short minute. And we should be closing on next week, actually. One next week and the other one the following week. And it's going to have a similar process to it. Hopefully those will go a little bit faster because those are in the community that we already have other Airbnbs. So, yeah, I'm really excited to see what this final product is going to look like because it's a lot we're going to do to what all those blank walls. It's a lot we're going to do. And the electrician, and my guy KP coming in to enhance that living room wall. We got a lot of features we'll be adding over a short period of time. So excited for the end product it's gonna look like. All right, but look, I'm Emmett Combs, Airbnb Superhost, Airbnb specialist. 786-277-1190. If you're looking to build your Airbnb portfolio, you're looking for mentorship, make sure you hit my line. And look, for now, I'm out.